Hi everybody, welcome aboard Valkyrie. My name is Cynthia. The last video I took was January 13th, Friday, January 13th, and I mentioned that I was pretty tired because we had quite a wind event the night before and we had some pretty loud, squeaky, creaking lines, and unfortunately, the weather really didn't ease up for us that weekend, so right on through the 14th wasn't too horrible, but the 15th, 16th, we had some pretty amazing winds, rain, sleet, snow. Huge winter event for several people outside our area, but here at our marina, it was mostly snow, sleet, rain, ice. Ice was a big deal. Walking the docks was very slippery. The wind was howling like mad, and I just wanted to show you some video that I took over a few days during that weather. You will see that there was one point on the docks, some people walking along the docks. People I don't know. I don't know if they're a stranger to the actual marina, but I know that they live close by because they walked the docks because they were getting annoyed about the wind that was howling through the mast of a nearby sailboat. They called the marina and complained, and the boat owner is away with family. But I thought that was pretty, I don't know, interesting that a neighbor in the area just kind of walked into the marina and started inspecting all of the boats during this wind event. And then literally called over the weekend and complained to the marina manager that the wind was loud. So we're right next to this boat and it didn't bother us. So whatever, to each their own. And maybe the situation got resolved. So I haven't heard any update as to whether or not anybody has further complained about the noise of the wind. So anyway, that's what's kind of going on here. But just this video is just weather from that 3-day winter weather that resulted in some people getting a lot of snow nearby. On my morning walks, I did see a few houses a couple blocks away from the marina that had some snowmen that out front of their yard. But right here at the marina, we got no snow, nothing collected. So there was no playing out in the snow, no snowball fights, no snowmen, no nothing. Kind of hard to hold the camera steady when your house is getting blown around. So Sunday, January 15th, 2023. Still snowing and blowing. Not accumulating too much though. It was getting pretty chilly in here, down to like 61. Mark let me take a shower on board the boat. He turned the boat heat back on. It seems to be working. The sea temperature is at 38. So we turned the salon heat on to warm up, and the bedroom down our aft cabin heat is on. We put up a sheet in this doorway because the wind was hitting us from the north, and so this sheet is helping block some of the draft coming in. And except for the fact that Mark just walked out this door, we had a sheet, this sheet, stuffed in here to help cut the draft that's blowing in. So unfortunately, he is about to fill our water tank in this blustery mess. There he is, out in the cold. It's looking a little snowy, honey.
Yeah, it's pretty snotty.
Finally, the wind has died down. It's Monday, January 16th, 2023. And we've had several days of high winds. Right now, it's snowing. Sounds more like sleet hitting the windows, but I'm just glad the wind has died down. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate all of you watching and commenting, and check the comments for the video link that I just mentioned. And thank you for watching. And that's it.